Hey spooky britches, hello and welcome. Today I'm setting up my spooky coffee bar for Halloween 2025. I'm lighting my Bath & Body Works pumpkin carving candle to set the mood to decorate. The kitchen's on the smaller side, so I tried to keep things practical while still making it fun and whimsical. I love classic Halloween with lots of black and orange and jack-o'-lanterns. I'm replacing my little cutting board with this fun skeleton sign that I got from Dollartree last year. This is my favorite jack-o'-lantern mug that I got from Michael's a couple of years ago. The inspiration for this year's spooky coffee bar actually came from this fun set of skeleton mugs that I got from HomeSense a few years ago. I found this witch's brew canister on Amazon last year. It's perfect for my coffee and I keep it out year round. Next I'm adding this glass pumpkin jar that I got from Dollar Tree last year. I filled it with candy corns and jellied pumpkins. They're gross but they look nice. And then next I've got this jack-o'-lantern jar that I'm going to add hot chocolate to. I think I got this from Target last year. Placing this cute little wooden boo sign that I got from Dollar Tree on top of the jars, it really fits the theme perfectly. I've got Halloween sprinkles in these adorable tiny skull bottles that I got from Temu. I'm just going to place these on the shelf next to the hot chocolate. I got this dancing skeleton tea light holder from some random dollar store. It works really well with the theme. And it's also perfect for holding these Halloween straws that I got from HomeSense. Something about this jack-o'-lantern light that I got from Dollar Tree makes me just so happy, and it needs to be on this coffee bar. I've had this Ouija board ceramic tray for ages. Doesn't fit the theme, but I'm gonna add it anyway. I'm just filling up this mason jar with Peeps Ghost marshmallows. Picked up this skeleton spoon rest at HomeSense. It really ties in the skeleton theme. And then I've got this ghost nightlight. I got that from Temu last year. I'm going to add this bunch of dried lavender to the witch's brew coffee canister. Not sure why, just works. And then finally I'm adding this ghost tea towel from HomeSense. And now that my Halloween coffee bar is all set up, I'm going to enjoy a spooky hot chocolate, the first one of the season. So that's it. It's small and simple, but it makes me smile every time I walk in the kitchen. Thanks so much for hanging out with me while I decorated. I hope it gave you some Halloween inspo for your small kitchen. For more Halloween content, check out my HomeSense Halloween kitchen haul from this year.